The Cooluli 15L magnetic mini fridge is more than just a simple appliance. It's a silent sentinel and a canvas for your creativity, all wrapped up in a sleek, compact design. This portable powerhouse, with its 15-liter capacity, is a testament to clever engineering, seamlessly transitioning from your car's back seat to your office desk, and even to your bedroom. Like a chameleon, it adapts to its surroundings, keeping drinks icy cold or snacks perfectly warm. Thanks to its advanced thermoelectric system, it's a whisper in a world of noise, operating with barely a sound, so it will never disrupt your focus while you work or your slumber while you rest. Furthermore, its magnetic Blackboard door is a truly unique feature. It's a blank slate awaiting your inspiration, allowing you to jot down reminders, sketch a quick doodle, or simply leave a loving note for a family member. Ultimately, the Cooluli 15L magnetic mini fridge is a versatile companion for any journey, both literal and metaphorical, ensuring that your essentials are always within arm's reach. Consequently, this mini fridge becomes a hub of convenience and connection. The magnetic Blackboard door is a stage for shared ideas, a place where you can write shopping lists or even play a quick game of tic-tac-toe. Moreover, the fridge's lightweight and portable design, complete with a convenient carrying handle, makes it as easy to transport as a briefcase, so you can effortlessly move it wherever you need it most. Therefore, whether you're embarking on a long road trip, heading to a tailgate party, or simply need a dedicated space for your skincare products, this little refrigerator is ready to serve. In addition, its multiple power options, AC, DC, and USB, provide unparalleled flexibility, allowing it to plug into a standard wall outlet, your car's cigarette lighter, or even a portable power bank. This multifaceted power source truly makes the Cooluli 15L magnetic mini fridge an indispensable tool for modern life, a true jack of all trades in the world of personal refrigeration. Finally, the Cooluli 15L magnetic mini fridge is a beacon of personal comfort and organization. It's a treasure chest for your favorite beverages and a sanctuary for your sensitive items, from makeup to medications. However, it's not merely a cold box. It's a personal assistant, holding your written thoughts and artistic expressions on its magnetic surface. Hence, it's a perfect blend of form and function, a beautifully designed object that serves a practical purpose while also adding a touch of personality to your space. While other mini fridges may simply cool, this one inspires. In conclusion, the Cooluli 15L magnetic mini fridge is a must-have for anyone who values convenience, style, and a little bit of magic in their everyday life. Pros: big and nice design, very good cooler, amazing little cooler, sits under a desk at work. Works like a charm, great size, holds more than I thought, shelves and door baskets are removable, magnetic, super chilled, doesn't cause nearly any noise, perfect size for office use. Nice small size and very quiet, keeps things cool, comes with 2 cords, fits a regular mayo jar. Stores makeup. Cons: dangerously underdesigned, failure prone, overheating, can't had to be defrosted. Accumulates some water buildup at the bottom, front board came off quickly, cannot switch the door hinge side, not cold enough to freeze anything, door stays open just a crack. Shelves on the door get in the way. Features: portable design, thermoelectric cooling system, cools down to 40 degrees Fahrenheit below ambient, warms up to 149 degrees F, AC/DC power cords included, fits up to 18 standard soda cans, ideal for travel, car, and office, includes a dry erase marker. The Cooluli V15L 2BK15L mini fridge is a versatile and portable refrigerator perfect for use in your car, office, or while traveling. Its thermoelectric cooling system can chill contents to 40 degrees Fahrenheit below the surrounding temperature and warm items up to 149 degrees F. This compact unit holds up to 18 standard soda cans and includes both AC and DC power cords for easy use anywhere. A unique feature is the integrated magnetic blackboard and a dry erase marker, adding a fun and functional touch to the design. The Cooluli 15L mini fridge is a portable refrigerator that's a great size for an office, travel, or a car. It is quiet and keeps things very cold without causing much noise. The shelves and door baskets are removable, which adds to its versatility. It's a nice design with a magnetic blackboard on the front, and it comes with 2 cords. However, some users noted that it isn't cold enough to freeze anything and that it can be prone to failure and overheating. Other issues include water buildup at the bottom, a door that doesn't close all the way, and a front board that can fall off.